So you've made all this SLP playing Axie Infinity, but now it's time to convert some back into Ethereum. What is the best way to do this? There are two popular methods to convert your SLP into Ethereum. Option 1, Uniswap. Option 2, Binance. We're going to compare both methods to find out which gives you the best bang for your buck. 3 quick disclaimers before we get into the video. 1, not financial advice as always. Number 2, I'm going to be using really small SLP amounts because I desperately need my SLP for breeding. If you're going to follow along, you want to use higher SLP amounts so it doesn't cost you as many fees. What is disclaimer number 3? Oh yeah, and disclaimer number 3, Axie Infinity plans to roll out a DEX in the future, so this video might be completely irrelevant by the time that they roll out their DEX. And with that, let's get right into the video. Step 1, as always, log into your Axie Infinity account. You see I have 170 SLP to work with today, which is hilariously low given all the breeding I've been doing. We're going to send out 100 on the Ronin Bridge and then convert 50 in Binance and 50 in Uniswap to Ethereum and see which gives you the best bang for your buck. So first I'll go to the bridge, Withdrawal, Ethereum address, pull up my MetaMask, asset SLP, amount 100, confirm. Okay, so we got our withdrawal confirmation, confirmed through MetaMask, and it's a $20 gas fee. I'm doing this for educational purposes, but this is gonna cost me $20. Okay, so now we go to Uniswap. We should have our SLP in our Ethereum wallet now. Let me look at the MetaMask, assets. If you guys ever run into this situation where you can't find the token that you just sent to your Ethereum, to your MetaMask wallet, the best way to do this is to go to CoinGecko, look for your token of interest, so SLP, and then come down and look for a contract and click copy on the contract for, this is an Ethereum contract. Go back to your MetaMask. We probably have to add in SLP as a token here. Type in SLP. If you don't find it, then you might have to select custom token, copy in the contract details. You'll see that it pulls in token symbol SLP, click next, and now you'll see that our token shows up. So go ahead and click add token. Now you can see we've added the SLP token into our address there. So now if we go back and look, there's our SLP token and there's 100 SLP that we had sent. If that doesn't make sense to you guys, please drop a comment down below and I'll try to help you out. Okay, go back to Uniswap. Okay, so we're going to convert the 50 SLP into Ethereum. On Uniswap, we entered our 50 SLP. It says we're going to get 0.00809 Ethereum, which is around $15.87. Go ahead and allow Uniswap to use SLP. This is going to cost us a gas fee as well. So this is a $4.05 gas fee. Confirm. So you can see here that Uniswap actually charges a 0.3% fee for swapping tokens. And that's not including the gas fee that you'll pay for Ethereum. All right, let's compare that to Binance. I'll copy my address, go to my MetaMask wallet, look for my SLP. Okay, send, copy in my address, SLP. It says I have a balance of 100, but I know I just swapped some on Uniswap. So that's probably not quite updated yet. I'll click 50 SLP that I'm going to send, with an average of $1.71 gas fee. Next, and confirm. Okay, so we got the 50 SLP in our Binance wallet. Go ahead and trade. Trade SLP to ETH. SLP ETH. And we want to sell all of our SLP. Let's see if we can get the best deal here. Sell SLP and filled. So to swap on Binance does cost you a 0.075% maker-taker fee if you're using BNB. If you're not using BNB, it costs 0.1%. So keep that in mind. And then there are deposit and withdrawal fees on Binance as well. So let's look at Ethereum cost of withdrawal. So Ethereum cost of withdrawal for ERC20 token is going to cost you 0.0036 Ethereum. So in summary, Uniswap had a 0.3% swap fee, while Binance had a 0.075% swap fee. However, Binance also had a 0.0036 ETH charged for going off of the platform. So I went ahead and made a graph to represent both fees. So here is Uniswap. You'll see it's X times 0.099997 after we consider the 0.3% fee. And here's Binance, which represents the 0.075% fee minus the 0.0036 Ethereum times the current value of Ethereum. If you want to use a calculator, you're going to have to change this number based on the current value of Ethereum. We went ahead and put X is 1,000, which would represent 1,000 SLP. Let's change this to 100 because that's what we used in our graph. So we'll go down to 100 SLP. And you see here that it is cheaper to use Uniswap, which is the top line, the red one. And the blue line represents Binance, which would be more expensive. So you'd get less take-home SLP using Binance, and you would get more take-home SLP using Uniswap in this case. So you can play around and change this SLP number to your liking to find out what would be most appropriate. Please play around with this graph. Let me know if it works for you. But so far, from what I can tell, it's cheaper to use Uniswap unless you are using an absurd amount of SLP, which then it might be cheaper to use Binance. Keep in mind there are gas fees for everything you do, so moving off of Ronin was expensive, and then moving from any location to another also incurs more gas fees, so keep that in mind in your calculations. Thank you so much for tuning in to Allan Ryan. Please like and subscribe to my video if you haven't already. See you next time.